Hello, welcome back. And today I will teach you how to make this model. This is a light switch. It's inspired by Jeremy Schaefer. This is basically his light switch, but this switch is flipped. So basically, if you could flip this way, it would become his light switch. So today I'll teach you this light switch, the horizontal light switch, where you can flip it up and down like this. Okay, so we start colored side up if you want one like this. We unfold and we make a kite base. It starts off like Jeremy Schaefer's model. So if you want, you could first watch his. And then we fold this up so it overlaps, so it folds onto the creases. We unfold it, so unfold everything. We fold on this existing crease, fold it back. So basically, we flip and put this inside, but in a much easier way. Okay, so now we fold this out like this. So it's like this. We bunny ear. Like this. So we fold all three creases and bring them together so we have one point. This will be the switch, but you know it's not that good. So to make it look more like a switch, we fold this edge to this point here. Make sure this does not slide. Okay, we unfold and we open sync it. So we open this, we fold it like this, and we pinch all three together. So we pinch this one, mountain fold it. This one, and the last one here. Ta-da, we've got the switch, like this one, it's here. Okay, and then we must fold, well, we can turn it over, and we fold this so that this is about in the middle of this. So basically, we fold it into thirds. This will equal this, well, approximation. So we fold it, right? So then it centers it like this mid-step one I made. I unfolded it a little bit. We fold it like this. So now this is on the bottom. This is just inside out. So yeah, white is yellow, yellow is white. Okay, so after this, we will try to hide this one. We have the mechanism kinda, and we will try to hide this flap. So the way I do it is I fold this behind, so you can keep this here. Fold this behind, or you can just turn over and fold on this edge. Fold on this edge. Or here, we fold it behind. And then we fold it back up. Okay, but then you see that, like, dude, this is black and it is extending out. We don't want that. So instead, we fold this up and fold it here. We fold both of these layers back and make sure the layers don't slide. And then here, right, we don't open this one, but we have another pocket here. We fold this tip into the pocket and it is also locked, so there's not a very easy way of getting it out without trying to get it out. Okay, so we fold it down, right? But then we've got this ugly, weird layer, and it's also very big. So to fix it, we simply fold it here. There will be something here. And we fold it here. Just like, don't let the layer slide or else you'll see the white, which is not fun. Or you can just like let the layer slide and fold it backwards. That's easier, but it's cleaner if you just hold the layers, which is annoying. I'll make this. Okay, we make this stick up. Okay, yeah, let's just fold it behind. It's way easier. So this sticks up, but then you see, like, this doesn't really stay, right? So then we must fold it in half. We unfold and we undo these, and we fold it in half. We fold it down, just barely, just barely. Barely. Well, not that less. You still want enough to help it turn, right? So then we have this. Now it can turn properly. But again, there's this, and everything looks pretty ugly. So we can fold it back. We'll try to adjust the fold so then it aligns with this edge. Like, see, adjust the fold. Put everything together, and you have the switch. Again, it's very similar to Jeremy Schaefer's model, so you can also fold that first. But if you already folded this one, well, you can fold his again. And also, if you don't like this bike, but you're willing to sacrifice it for a shorter blade, well, then there's an easy solution, and that is to reverse fold it. You can sacrifice a long switch for a flat one, and it still works. Also, when you do this, you could put a few books on it. Yeah, especially here, because this is pretty thick. So then, like, the deeper it is, well, the tighter this grips, so then it can hold it in place more. I put books on this one for a little bit, and it can hold its place for a little bit. Yeah, so I recommend you putting books, but if you don't, that's okay. And thanks, that's it for today. Bye-bye.